a reading from Frederic Bastiat. First, let's see who is Frederic Bastiat. Bastiat was a French economist, legislator, and writer who wanted to limit or limited government because he understand the laws. He said that if the government is protecting the lives, liberties, and properties of citizens from robbery, that is good. But if the government takes properties of people, then give them to others, that is wrong. And because he understood the laws, the knowledge, and I want to read from his book, The Law, on page 1. Life is a gift from God. We hold from God that gift which includes all others. And all others mean everyone, every living human beings. So all the lives matter. That's what I understand by reading this. And he said, this life is, or this gift is life, physical, intellectual, and moral life. He understands that life is a blessing, is a gift from God. So I would say that leave everyone alone. Leave Mabaan or Suluk alone because of the universal law that all lives matter. Like what color you are or what tribes you are or I am from, I'm deserve to live and to work to do my duty or duties as well as the rest of the world. So again, what tribes you are important. If I'm from Mabaan tribe, Suluk tribe, Suluk, tribes are important. Mabaan tribes are important. Myself, I'm important, and others as well. So loving myself and loving others, it's universal to other decision and to the law. Because I have to leave everybody alone. They have to leave me alone. So mind your own business, and I will do my own business. And that's what I want to say about my reading, about this reading, about Frederic Bastiat. He's a very, very excellent writer, and he understands a lot about laws and rules. And he's true. What he's saying is true. It's what I'm feeling. You know what I saw in the world that I'm part of. I can agree with that. Not just because I just read his book, but because of my experience. And when I found his book, it's true. It's true. For myself, I'm inspired by language, by knowledge, by Mabaan language, by African, by different languages. But also, I'm inspired by him, by Bastiat. I just want to say that all lives are matter. So you're worthy to live, to do your work, to be who you are. Doesn't matter what color you are, like what you look and what type of tribes or human being you are. You are important. I'm important. And I deserve to live the life that I want and the decision that I'm making in my life. And thank you for listening.